Basic exercise question number 7 from lesson 11. Given that the product of three consecutive even numbers is 2,688, find the largest one among these three consecutive even numbers. Let's see, we got three consecutive even numbers. What does that mean? That means I'm gonna represent the first one as 2a. Then the second one is 2a plus 2. Because they are all even. And then the next one will be 2a plus 2 and then plus 2, which is plus 4. All right? And I'm going to I will times these three numbers together. And I will have this 2,688. Okay, guys, can we do some simplify? Of course, we can. As for the first one, 2a, you can bring out this 2. So that'll be 2 times a. And for the second bracket, it's 2 times a plus 1. Basically, if you extract this 2, that'll be times 2 times the bracket a plus 1. Okay? And then the next one, you can bring out the 2 again. That'll be 2 times a plus 2. Because you times 2 into the bracket, that'll be 2a plus 4. And then that equals 2,688. All right. Okay, so you see on the left, you got 1 of 2, 2 of 2, 3 of 2. Times together, that will be 2 times 2, which is 4. Times 2 again, that will be 8. So 8 times a plus 1 times a plus 2 equals to this number. So what is the product of a plus a times a plus 1 times a plus 2? That will be 2,688 divided by 8. And let's see what do we get. And you're going to have the 3, 24, and 28. So that will be 3 again. So it's still 24, 48. So 48 minus 8, that will be, divided by 8, you're going to have 6. That means a times a plus 1 times a plus 2 equals to 336. And now you have to do the prime factorization of this number. This number is divided by 3. You get 1, 1, and 2. And this one is divisible by 2. So you're going to have this 56. And 56 is divisible by a prime number, let's say 7. And you got 8. Alright, guys, so I think we can finish at this step. Because if you times 2 and 3 together, that will give you 6. So that means 336 equals to 6 times 7 times 8. And that will be the three numbers we are looking for. So what's going to be that three consecutive even numbers? So you have to times each one by 2. So the first one will be 12. The second one will be 14. And the next one will be 16. Okay? Just times 8 by 2, you got 16. And that three numbers is just 12, 14, and 15. Which one is the largest? 16 is the largest.